Remember how last time I was using the stakes and the tent screws? And I'll have the information in that video below where I was having trouble putting this tent screw in the ground. We're going to try a different thing right now. So all the guidelines are going to go down with these tent screws. Okay, remember last time I was using this regular drill and it wasn't getting those tent screws in the ground all the way. So I'm going to try it first. Then I'm going to switch over to this impact drill and I'm going to see if it makes a difference. So let's start with the regular drill I had last time. Okay, you can see it's already stopped. Let's try it a little more, one more time. Maybe I didn't have it tight enough. Now it's either hitting a rock or it's just not working right. So let's see what happens with the impact drill. Well, in this case, it might have hit a rock. So we're going to test it again with the regular drill. Actually, I think we're hitting a rock right here, and it's not very far down. Let's try this other one. Be great timing. Just, hey, let's see how this works. Hits a big old rock every time. All right, it's definitely stopped right there. Now let's try the impact drill. Actually, I don't think it's working any better. I am having the worst luck. Maybe hitting a rock or this impact drill doesn't work that well. I will say that I was told to try the hammer drill or the impact drill. And so far, I'm either hitting a rock or the impact drill doesn't work very well. Let's try some other locations real quick. All right, I'm gonna try the regular drill again. I'll tell you what, really don't think I like the drill method. All right. Okay. Forget the drill method or the impact drill. It's not working very well. And driving the regular tent stakes in the ground with the regular mallet so far is working way better. Maybe I still have the wrong device or the wrong drill, but I'm going back to the stakes. Definitely hitting a rock. Great. Well, maybe that wasn't such a good test. Hitting a rock again. This pisses me off. All right, we're going to do another test. See if we can get this in the ground. Because I know I was hitting rock over there. Nope. Well, let's see about the stake. I still think I'm hitting a rock. Yeah, let's try another test. Shouldn't be any rocks here. Well, that worked. All right. Let's keep trying these because I guess I was hitting a rock. Okay, I'm going to take my initial results of my second test back. Evidently, I'm hitting a rock over there in several places. Over here where it looks softer and I'm not on the gravel, these are going through. They're going in the ground. So here's a good tip for you. If you're going to use screws, always carry regular tent stakes and a sledgehammer or a mallet with you, because if you're hitting a rock, then you may have to go to a tent stake. That's what I've just learned. Hopefully you enjoyed that little tip. So thanks for joining me on Mike and Rick Outdoors here. I'll keep testing this. I'm going to try it again, different spot. I may do another test out here in soft ground and see how it all works. Please like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so you'll be alerted as soon as we put out new videos. We'll see you back out here in the next video.